Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. Getting your passport rejected by the scanner inside the Ryanair app can feel weirdly personal, like the app suddenly decided your passport looks suspicious today. Most of the time, though, the issue comes from lighting, camera quality, permissions, or internet problems rather than the passport itself. First, make sure your connection is stable because weak internet can interrupt the scanning process completely. I usually test this by opening YouTube or TikTok first, and if videos are buffering nonstop, the Ryanair app probably will not behave either. After that, check if the app is updated to the latest version and make sure camera permissions are enabled on your phone. For the actual scan, place the passport flat on table instead of holding it. Use bright white lighting and avoid glare or shadows over the bottom two lines, since that is the section the scanner reads most carefully. Cleaning your camera lens also helps a lot because even a tiny fingerprint smudge can make your phone camera look like it belongs in a low-budget detective movie. Hold your phone around 10 to 15 centimeters above the passport and slowly move closer until the text gets detected properly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.